Welcome. In this training, I'll show you how to add and manage deployment and deployment groups in Rocket Claims. To access deployments, navigate to the Resources tab and select Deployments. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can filter results by name, start date, or end date. From here, you can add a new deployment, export all deployments to Excel, and then view and edit existing deployments. To create a new deployment, click Add New. You'll need to assign it to an existing event, enter a deployment name, match it to a client, select the billing type and fee schedule, set a default commission rate and location, define the beginning and end dates. Once completed, click Create. If any drop-downs don't have the value you expect, check out our other training videos on creating events, clients, and fee schedules. Once a deployment is created, you'll see a detailed view with multiple tabs. The same view appears when opening an existing deployment. Here you can find things like event details, the name, client, and billing type. Also, you'll see the linked fee schedule and commission settings. Now let's explore deployment groups. In Rocket Claims, we use a hierarchical structure to manage complex billing, reporting, and deployment relationships. A deployment operates at the event and client level, but within it you can create multiple deployment groups. A key concept is that deployment group settings will override the deployment level settings. This means different commission rates, addresses, or fee schedules can be applied to specific groups. For example, if you have two types of resources working on a deployment at different commission rates, you can create separate deployment groups instead of separate deployments. The resource assignment section is the next level down. Here, individual resources can be placed into a deployment group. Again, remember that resource level settings will override both deployment and deployment group settings. This means you can set custom dates, addresses, or commission rates for specific individuals. For example, in this deployment, a resource has been assigned an 80% commission rate, which is different from the group's standard rate. You can modify these settings by selecting a resource from the list and editing their assignment. Finally, the Invoices tab shows all invoices associated with this deployment. Here you can view invoice details like the invoice number, date, and amount. Edit an invoice by clicking the pencil icon, or download and view invoices as PDFs. If your fee schedule is properly set up, clicking Edit will open the invoice for modifications. Like other sections, you can also export this data to Excel. And that's it. You now know how to manage deployments, deployment groups, resource assignments, and Rocket Claims. For more details on related topics, check out our training videos on creating events, fee schedules, and posting invoices. Thanks for watching.